We are pleased to show you the 2016 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, remote keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, power windows. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.